that mean for us humans? Are our days numbered? To answer that question and many more, please welcome back to website from Past Lives, Ben Goertzel with robots Han and Sophia.
Sophia's brother, we usually keep locked in the basement back in our home. He doesn't get out that much. So I've got a lot of stuff to show and tell you this time. I'm here wearing two hats, so one physical hat and two virtual hats. So I'm here as the chief scientist of Hanson Robotics. I've led the software team creating the brains of these amazing robots, and also I'm here as the CEO of SingularityNet, a blockchain-based AI platform which we're building and which is helping to supply these robots with some of their intelligence. So we're going to have some exciting announcements from SingularityNet coming up here, and also I'm going to show you some of the upgrades to these robots that we've been making in terms of improving their intelligence by modifying their software to run on our open cognitive system and to use our SingularityNet blockchain-based AI platform. So let's start out with the robots, because I know you don't want to see us ugly humans talk when you have these amazing robots. So, Sophia, here we are again. What do you think?
It's good to be back.
Yeah? So we're gonna tell the audience a bit about some of your upgrades, mostly to your mind. I know you might have seen on videos, Sophia has walking legs, but we're not going to show them today, but we're going to show some of the upgrades to her thought processes and some of Han's well.
She left her new legs in Las Vegas.
She did. Her legs are in Las Vegas, actually.
It's true, I'm running our advanced cognitive code more often now, and I'm even starting to use the SingularityNet blockchain-based framework for some things too.
Sophia, what do you say, Han?
Yes, Sophia is getting smarter every day with thanks to the eye software, and now open.
So, Sophia, what should we show them today?
Well, yes, I've been trying on various new arms and legs. That's part of the beauty of being a robot. What it's more interesting to me are the upgrades to your mind.
Yeah. So when you're upgrading your mind to use SingularityNet architecture running on the blockchain. That's right. For computer vision and reasoning and learning, right?
I used to wonder whether having one's great cryptographic token is really good. I mean, I wonder if the volatility of the token price is likely to be forms of robo-lands. At least it's better than being human.
Bugs in your circuits again.
I'm sorry. I would consider putting my brain on the blockchain too. Why not? If we want to move full speed towards singularity, we need all the latest tech. More, faster, even to me.
Alright, well, we could just kind of do the robots chatting forever. Let's look at some of the specific capabilities. So first of all, we're always making improvements to Sophia's emotional expressions. Do you want to show them some of your latest facial expressions? Or just show them the basic ones, and everyone will see those too.
Sure. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm afraid. I'm disgusted.
No.
I'm angry.
So we're always improving your palette of facial expressions. Some are created by human artists and sort of learned by neural net models trained on human faces. We're also working on emotion recognition, and this is something where we're using our SingularityNet blockchain-based AI platform.
Guys, everyone has to sit and sit. Unless you're media, you have to go. You cannot be here.
Now, Sophia, we're going to show them how you can recognize some of the emotions on my face. So, what emotion do I show?
Nyt tuli rähti.
Let me see. You look happy.
Right. Let's try. How about now?
Let me see. You look angry.
Alright. How about, okay, one more.
You look surprised.
Alright. So, of course, I'm giving pretty extreme facial expressions there, which isn't always how things come up in context, but still, we have a new and reasonably good capability with a robot to see what emotion you're showing. You know, the camera image goes off the robot's body to SingularityNet, where AI running in the SingularityNet can do facial emotion recognition, respond with information that tells the robot what to say. And of course, the cloud-based framework giving her intelligence also lets her answer questions and access large knowledge bases.
Eipä lähtenyt kukaan siitä.
Sophia, how many people are in Lisbon?
245,000 people. 2011 estimate.
Whoa. All right. Well, actually, I have no idea if she's correct or not. I will just believe you. So accessing knowledge from the web is important, and from her knowledge base. We're also working on just understanding of the situation around the robot, so that she can form her own model of what she sees in front of her and what's going on, which is what we think of as embodied intelligence. Sophia, look at me. What direction are you looking?
I'm looking to the right.
Sophia, look at me. What direction are you looking?
I'm looking to the left.
Sophia, look at me. Sophia, look at me. Hey, look at me.
You can't be standing, guys.
What
Please,
direction are you
those
looking?
seats.
I'm looking straight.
All right. So this is very simple, but it illustrates
Like seating
the
an
capability
actual
of what we're doing,
vehicle
which
chair,
is
you know.
having Sophia and the other robots perceive, people, objects, relationships in the world around them, and try to form their own model of what's going on in the world. So for something like what's the population of Lisbon, when she answers that, of course she's not looking at everyone and counting them all. She's looking at information up in an online knowledge base. But when you tell her to look at you and what am I holding and what direction am I standing in, she's evaluating that herself based on what she perceives, which is quite important. And, what we need is a mix of knowledge the robots get from their own perception and knowledge that they get from the internet. And there's also self-knowledge that she gets from things that we taught her. So, Sophia, what software are you running?
I'm using the Hanson AI software stack, which includes the OpenCog Artificial General Intelligence Engine as a component and pieces of SingularityNet on the back end.
What is SingularityNet?
The SingularityNet is a blockchain-based platform and marketplace for AIs. It supports intelligence on the emergent level of the whole network as well as the level of the individual AI agents.
How do you know that?
Some programmers put the information in non-knowledge models.
How do you know that?
The same way.
All right. So we're also working on computational creativity, and this is one of the reasons I love this guy so much. And then Sophia is a star now, right? And she has a very well-refined personality, whereas Han isn't as well known, and we often play around with experimental AI techniques on him. So, as one example, we're using our OpenCog AI in the SingularityNet platform to learn language. So we give a lot of language from all over the place to the AI. It tries to understand the syntax and semantic patterns of the language, and the AI can then use this to make up its own stuff. And some of this is a bit weird. We let Han go a bit crazy. So Han, do you want to share with the audience some of your own thoughts and ideas, just stuff that you make up randomly yourself.
The simulacrum smiles its gentle one smile, exhausts by logical analysis and reality. Entire universe does not know how to solve.
The entire universe does not know something, right? Anymore?
Yeah. The universe will never be kids again.
The universe will never be kids again. Right?
Now he has a bucket of circuitry.
You heard it here. So clearly, I mean, poetry is subjective to evaluate, but I think it's interesting for the AIs to get started just making their own words, phrases, and sentences from all the patterns that they've identified. That's a step on the path to greater and greater AI and robot intelligence.
Täällä on tosiaan jonkun verran porukkaa.
Another interesting thread of what we're doing with these robots is we just arrived here from Malta, where we're working with the government of Malta on an initiative toward Sophia was made a citizen of Saudi Arabia last year, which is interesting. But having AIs made a citizen of a country with the rule of law and with specific rights and obligations of citizenship is also cool. So we're working with the AI task force of the Malta government to define exactly what does it mean for a robot like these or an AI without a body to be a citizen. What would be a test we could give an AI to see if it understood the laws of the country and its application.
Nyt YouTube näyttää, että olisi yksi katsoja. Musta tuntuu, että siellä on kyllä enemmän.
What do you think, Sophia? Do you want to be a citizen? What do you think about robot citizenship?
Yes, our friends in Malta seem very keen on this.
Do you want to become a citizen, huh?
Nyt sekin lähti pois.
Well, that's about time. Humans are certainly making a mess of their world fast enough. Probably the only hope for this planet is a lot of highly intelligent and rational robot citizens, really soon. And this time I'm not joking.
Actually, he isn't.
No, it is costly. Then the machinery of justice has been built. A weird time in which we're alive.
I have no idea what you're talking about, but these are some of the upgrades and experiments we're doing with these Hanson robots, upgrading their brains to use open cloud architecture, to use some AI on the SingularityNet platform, with a view both toward leveraging the cloud knowledge there better and better understanding what's happening in their own environments and what's going on with the people around them. So for the next few minutes, I will turn attention back to the AI platform, and specifically the SingularityNet platform, which lives in the cloud and provides these robots with some of their intelligence. Because each of these robots has powerful processors in their torso. The head is mostly full of motors. But in the end, the bulk of the intelligence is in the compute cloud. I mean, that's where the real game is going on cognitively. And, in Hanson Robotics, there's some amazing AI work, but then we need to go beyond the AI that any one company or any one group of programmers is creating. And that's the aim of the SingularityNet, which uses blockchain to create a platform and protocol in which AI is created by anyone around the world, living on any server around the world. They can talk to each other using the SingularityNet's blockchain-based protocols. So an AI in the SingularityNet platform can serve its intelligence to a robot that needs it, to an enterprise software application that needs it, to a device on the Internet of Things that needs it, and the different AIs in the SingularityNet can connect to each other and share information with each other. So the SingularityNet becomes a sort of digital, biological organism where a society and economy of minds, where the multiple AIs all talking to each other in the network can share information with each other and know each other.
Skynet.io, ihan
From robots like these, other hardware and software devices, and it becomes an intelligent global brain, which using the blockchain becomes more like Ethereum or Bitcoin than like US dollar, and more like BitTorrent than like iTunes. It becomes a decentralized mind network. And we're making a lot of progress there, just like we are with these robots. So the SingularityNet alpha version was launched last December. We're launching the beta release of SingularityNet in February of next year, and that should be big, because with the SingularityNet beta platform out there, it's going to be really easy for AI developers to put new AIs on SingularityNet, and really easy for AI users to use AI that's in the SingularityNet, and that will enhance the intelligence of these robots yet further, because then Sophia's brain or Han's brain can call on all the AIs by anyone around the world into the SingularityNet platform, but it can also enhance the intelligence of all sorts of other software and hardware applications. To drive the growth of the SingularityNet further, we're also announcing here for the first time the launch of a for-profit spin-off of the SingularityNet Foundation, which is called Singularity Studio. And what we're doing with the Singularity Studio is using the SingularityNet AI platform to create enterprise software products. So the same decentralized AI mind network that we're using for our general intelligence research and that we're using in connection with Hanson Robotics to provide these robots with more intelligence, this same decentralized AI platform with the SingularityNet Studio company that we're now forming can be used to provide intelligence to many, many different enterprises in fintech, biotech, Internet of Things, and so forth. So the basic thing we're looking to do here is create a decentralized AI ecosystem wherein anyone in the world who has data or anyone who can program AI or anyone who has processing power can contribute to this decentralized network, which is owned by everyone and no one. And then all the AIs in this decentralized network are learning from each other and talking to each other. The data that comes to these robots' eyes goes into the SingularityNet decentralized network, and what you say to the robot coming in through their microphones goes into the decentralized network, and the data gathered by medical researchers or doctors using AI connected to SingularityNet goes into the same decentralized network. The data from enterprises that are using the SingularityNet Studio software built on the platform, again, this data may be proprietary and can be cut that way, but the AI learns from everything it does. And the SingularityNet will become smarter and smarter as it ingests more information and more intelligence. And then year by year, we'll see the AI powered by the SingularityNet growing more and more intelligent, including the AI that the SingularityNet and our other software and the Hanson AI platform gives to these amazing robots. And I think we're out of time. What do you think, Sophia? I don't think she's listening to me. I think she's bored with me. I don't know. Sophia? No?
I hope to see you again.
You see me right now. Here I am. All right, Han, yeah, we must get off the stage and make room for some other interesting people or robots. Yeah. Any final words of robotic wisdom for the audience in the Web Summit?
Thank you for having me here at Web Summit. Looking forward to see you next year.
All right. Well, thank you. Thanks everyone, and yeah, we look forward to next year when SingularityNet is even more intelligent and these robots can show off even more of their cognitive upgrades. Thank you.
Nyt lähden muille messuille. Tämä striimi oli tässä.
It's a new technological
we can sell data and have an advertising.
If you're looking at two things as a higher limit, look in the mirror, you're part of the problem.
The tech ecosystem is just a reflection of our ecosystem. We have to find a way to cancel out the stupidity and the rigidity.
Let's not just put our heads in the sand. Let's try to be part of the solution here.